Welcome to Digital Creationism, the channel where we feature the most popular images from the Midjourney community feed. The abundance of breathtaking images makes the selection process an exciting experience for us every day. In today's episode, we have some incredible AI art to showcase, which you won't want to miss. If you enjoyed today's content, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful Sunday. We look forward to seeing you again next time.